Okay. Hello students, this is Sunil Vishwakarma and today I am going to tell you about some aggregate functions in MySQL. Okay, aggregate functions in MySQL. Let's begin. In this section you will learn about MySQL aggregate functions including average, count, sum, min and max. We have 5 types of aggregate functions. First one is average, count, sum, max and min. Now, an aggregate function perform calculation. Okay, it perform calculation on multiple values and return single value. It return single value, whereas it works on multiple values column wise from top to bottom. Okay, now common aggregate functions, there is a list. Okay, first one is sum function and the description is it return sum or say total of given values in column or range. Okay, next average function, AVG, average function. Next is average function. Now this function returns the average of given data, average. Okay, average means total then divided by number of occurrence. Note, it ignore null values. Okay, it ignores null values. Third, max function, it returns maximum or say highest value from given data or say from given column. Next is min, it returns minimum or say lowest value from given data or say given column. Next is count function. Now we have two different format to use count function. First one is count abstract, if you do not provide any field name, and the second one is count with field name. Okay, now description, this function is used to count the number of values in a given column or say number of records present in a table. One note is there, it ignore all null values column if we apply with column name, this one. Okay, it ignore all the null values, it does not count the column that is having any null value. Now let's work out on these aggregate functions in MySQL with the help of some questions. Okay, let's see. Consider the following EMP table. We have a EMP table having 4 fields: ENO, ENAME, salary and department number, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 records. ENAME this include 10 name, salary, department number. Now let's do questions one by one. First question is find out the total salary of EMP table. Second, display maximum salary from EMP table or say display the list of employee who is getting highest salary, जिसको सबसे ज़्यादा सैलरी मिल रही है. Display minimum salary, display average salary from EMP table. Fifth one, display the total number of records present in a table. And the sixth one is display the total number of records getting salary. There are some null values also. Okay, 1 2 3 we have to solve we have to solve all these questions through MySQL environment. So let's begin. Open your MySQL. Okay, this is my MySQL. I'm going to use my password. This is different. Now show databases, so databases, use IP. Okay, in order to work on any database, the first step is you have to open that database. For this you have to use command. Okay, now show tables. In order to get list of tables in particular database, we use show tables command. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tables, but we have to work on EMP table. So select abstract from EMP to get total record. Okay, these are some records. See the records, same records. So we have to solve all these questions one by one. Let's begin. First one is find out the total salary. So the syntax is select followed by function name, and the function name is sum because we have to count total of salary. So column name is salary from table name EMP. See, the working is when this some function execute, some function does that, it will count all the values. First it will count 25,600, then next null because it includes null values also. Null means nothing. So okay, next is 21,000, then next is 15,000, then 18,900, and in this way it comes to 1,31,000. Okay, next is display the maximum salary from employee, or say display the list of employee who is getting highest salary. कौन इनमें से सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी पा रहा है? Let's start. Select. We have to get maximum, max, and the column name is salary, SALARY, salary from EMP. See the result. 25,600. 25,600. And our statement is, see the statement, it works on multiple values and return a single value. See, it works on multiple values. These are multiple values and return single value. Okay, 25,600. See, any word comes after select command becomes the heading of output, heading for output for that particular field. Okay, see, select sum, select max. See, after select command, anything comes after select command becomes heading. Now third question is Display minimum salary. SELE, select for minimum, or says to get lowest, we have to use min function. SALARY, salary from EMP. See, 13,000 work on multiple values and return single value. Okay, 13,000. Next is average value. If you use this one for average, average means total divided by number of occurrence. We have 10 records. If we apply this one, SELE, select SELECT, select sum, SALARY, salary divided by 10 from EMP, we will get 13,100. Okay, according to maths rule. Now if we apply simply average function, SELE, select AVG, then pass SALARY, salary from EMP, see the result. There is a lots of difference, just because average function ignores null value. It means there are 3 null elements, 1, 2, 3. It ignores all these null value and it divide total by 7. SELE, select sum, SALARY, salary divided by 7 from EMP. See the result? Now next is display the total number of records present in a employee table. Now if you want to count, display the total number of records, nothing else, total number. See the word number, total number. Okay, then we have to use count function. Select count abstract from EMP. See, 10. If we apply any column name, then it ignores null values. We have 10 records. See, we have 10 records. If we apply any column name, select count salary from EMP, it ignores null value. It does not count null value.